Employees Provident Fund Organization has released 2 employment notifications for the recruitment of 2,859 Social Security Assistant and Stenographer vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online here. Name of post stenographer. Number of posts 185 posts. Category wise vacancy 74. EWS 19. SC 28. ST 14. OBC NCL 50. Educational qualification. The candidate must be 12th class pass from a recognized board. Age limit. Candidate's age must be between 18 and 27 years. Social Security Assistant. Number of posts 2,674 posts. Category wise vacancy. SC 359. ST 273. OBC NCL 514. EWS 529. Educational qualification. Candidates must possess the bachelor's degree from a recognized university. A typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi on computer. 35 words per minute and 30 words per minute correspond to 10,500 key depression per hour kdph, 9,000 kdph on an average of 5 key depressions for each word for data entry work. Time allowed 10 minutes. Age limit. Candidate's age must be between 18 and 27 years. Age relaxation. The category-wise age relaxation is as mentioned below. SC, ST 5 years. OBC NCL 3 years. PWBD plus General 10 years. PWBD plus OBC NCL 13 years. PWBD plus SC, ST 15 years. Application fees. The category-wise application fees is under SC, ST, PWBD, female, ex-serviceman nil. Others. 700. Starting date of submission of online application, the 27th of March 2023. Last date of submission of online application, the 26th of April 2023. Online application link and official notification check the description box.